So this Germany 40 index. So don't usually trade these, but I do like indexes right now because the spreads on them are fantastic, and they're all kind of functioning similarly, and they're all hitting major areas. So like this is right now hitting this 16,200 level and is rejecting it perfectly. It wants to just keep pushing a little bit higher, a little bit higher, a little bit higher, but it is rejecting the zone. So as far as next month, I mean, something like this, like, very, very possible. So we'll keep this in mind. Obviously this is, taking its time. Again, end of the month, so not a lot of momentum either direction. So we'll just watch this and see how it sets up, and eventually take some short positions, I think. But it might be next month. But this is good to watch, because like as soon as this decides to sell off, because you think about how many shorts are getting in now at this nice area, everyone's kind of setting their positions, and then once it starts selling off, it'll really sell off. So just gotta wait.